Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Falah Ibnu Rachman. I am from Department of Electrical Engineering, and here I'd like to inform you about the electric cars. And of course, I'm not alone because I will help by my friend, and they are Taris, Zihni, Hulfana, and Michael Christian Dave. And before I inform you about electric cars, I'd like to tell you about the background of electrical itself. An electric car is a vehicle that uses electrical energy as the main power to drive an electric motor. Electrical energy stored in the batteries or other energy storage places. Electric car has several potential advantages over traditional internal combustion engines. The main thing is to reduce greenhouse gas emission because it does not require fossil fuels as the main driver. But the widespread use of electric cars has many obstacles and drawbacks because the price of electric car is still much more expensive when compared to cars with ordinary fuel engines. Another factor that hinders the growth of the use of electric cars is the lack of station charging for electric cars, plus the fear of motorists will run out of car battery charge before they reach their destination. Currently, air pollution in urban areas is a serious problem. Therefore, electric cars are the solution to reduce air pollution. And the next slide will be presented by my friend.
So, we're going to discuss the problem. What's the problem that appears in this topic? Yes, there are several problems which relate to each other. The first is that every year the percentage of people using vehicles increases significantly, and it will cause another serious problem in the future. Second, as what I said before, that is the percentage of demanding fuel oil will increase as well, appropriate to the increase of vehicle. And what's next? Well, as you all know that the conventional car are still utilizing gasoline that is made from fossils. But fossils is non-renewable, which is dangerous if there is no fossil that is provided to the earth in the next 50 or even 25 years. That is the problem that appears in this topic. Now, before continuing this discussion, does anyone know about conventional cars and electric cars? I guess all of you already know about it. There are three basics of each conventional car and electric cars. Conventional car using gasoline as an energy source. Second is the result of burning that gasoline containing air and the combustion chambers. Third, it produces gas emission. And this is the example of conventional car. Next, electric cars use batteries as an energy source. Power that is generated by the battery will be used to move the car. And of course, electric cars are good for the environment. This is the example of electric cars. Okay, let's move on to the solutions.
Right, let's move on to how to solve the problem that my friend described earlier. The first solution is use electricity as an energy source. Electric cars are considered capable of saving up to 80% of energy compared to conventional cars that use fuel oil, because it can reduce greenhouse gas emissions or carbon dioxide by 29% by 2030 while maintaining energy security, especially in the land transportation sector. The second solution is that the power generated by the battery will be used to drive the car. Battery as a substitute for fuel to drive the car will show that electric cars have energy and can be used as needed. And the third solution is good for the environment because it reduces pollution and can save people due to respiratory problems. From the material, it can be concluded that an electrical car is a vehicle that uses electrical energy as the main power to drive an electrical motor. Electric cars have several potential advantages because of a traditional internal combustion chamber, namely reducing greenhouse gas emissions because it does not require fossil fuels as the main driver. So it will be ideal replace conventional cars that use gasoline. Thank you all for listening. It was pleasure being here today.